Get this. This is one of the good ones. This affiliate program is a good addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. You can make a good commission month after month with this one. Check this out. The Eukhost affiliate program sells all kinds of web hosting to those needing to launch websites. Websites are being built and launched every day with an interest of catching people's attention, and in order to catch the attention they have to be online. That's where website hosting comes in. The hosting services allow customers' website to be online. They have to pay for it. That means your opportunity to make money is huge. Selling website hosting is easier than many other niches, as businesses need to build their websites online. Web hosting keywords are searched over 74,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to make sales using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $239. Affiliates receive 65% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in search engine results. This is a good affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.